Spectrum Mobile Wi-Fi issues often stem from outages, DNS problems, or router malfunctions. If your Spectrum Mobile Wi-Fi isn't working, begin by checking for outages using the Spectrum Mobile app or their website. Restart your hotspot device by powering it off for 30 seconds, then turning it back on. Also, ensure you have a strong signal strength, ideally around -70 dBm or better. App and device updates improve troubleshooting. Version 8.2 includes automated DNS flushing and router restart prompts. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be a DNS-related problem or a deeper router issue. For DNS problems, consider switching to public DNS servers like Google 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.11.1 in your device's network settings. This can bypass potential issues with Spectrum's DNS servers. If the problem persists, especially with Arcadian SX10 hotspot models, check for firmware updates via the Spectrum app or web portal. Note that there was a voluntary recall and free replacement program launched in June 2025 due to router firmware bugs in the SX10. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the hotspot, but be aware that this will erase any custom settings. If all else fails, contact Spectrum support directly for further assistance.